Good morning children. Today I will discuss the assignment related to the topic materials and things. In this assignment total we are having 5 questions and 5 bits are there. First question, define word translucent. Define word translucent. Translucent materials are nothing but these are the materials through which we can see the objects but not that much clearly as in the case of transparent materials. So these are the materials we can see the objects partially, not that much clearly. Such type of materials are called as translucent material. Second question, write any 2 examples of translucent materials. In our daily life, we can see oily paper, tracing paper are the best examples for translucent materials. Oily paper and tracing paper are the best examples for translucent materials. Next question, define solid. Define solid. Solids are nothing but these are the materials that are having specific shape, and they will occupy certain volume, definite volume they will occupy. Such kind of materials, any substance that has specific shape and occupies some definite volume are said to be solids. Next, fourth question, define liquid. Liquids are any materials that are having definite volume but no definite shape. Such type of materials are called as liquids. These liquid substances possess definite volume but no definite shape. Generally, they will have the container shape. In which container they are present, they will possess such particular shape. Next question, what is gas? What is gas? Gas is any material that has neither definite shape nor definite volume. Neither definite shape nor definite volume are said to be gases. Any substance that has neither definite shape nor definite volume are said to be gases. In our daily life, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas, all these are examples for gases. Next, choose the correct answer. First one, chocolates and biscuits and other items are displayed in a shop can be seen through the containers that are made of glass or plastic. That property is called as, actually they are transparent. Options given here, hardness, opaqueness. First option, hardness, opaqueness. Third one, softness. Fourth one, transparency. So, because of the transparency property only, those chocolates or biscuits which are present in the shop can be seen through the glass. So, fourth one is the answer. Next one, which type of the following material is used for making front glass of car? Options given: transparent, translucent, transparent, translucent, next opaque, all the above. All the above. So generally front car glass, it is made up of transparent material, so that only we can see the objects. Next question, an oil paper act as a dash material. Options given: transparent, translucent, lustrous and opaque. Here, as oil paper acts as a translucent material. Oil paper acts as translucent material. Next one. Fourth one, the materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are said to be translucent materials. Translucent materials. The objects through which materials can be seen but not clearly are said to be translucent materials. Here options given: transparent, opaque, translucent and soluble. Third option is the correct answer, translucent. Last question, which of the following materials are non-lustrous? Which of the following materials are non-lustrous? Lustrous is nothing but shiny appearance. Options given: gold, silver, wood and diamond. So here wood is not the lustrous material. Third option is the correct answer. Wood is not the lustrous material. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.